else we got? What else we got?
What else do you have?
Oh, we have what's going on with the trial?
Oh, with the Young Thug trial. So on Monday, Young Thug's attorney said that he was told that the gentleman that was having the problem testifying, the judge and the prosecutor, had a meeting in the chamber, and he was not informed of the meeting. So apparently, if you have any type of meeting with a witness, he is supposed to be aware. Well, the judge was like, "Who told you?" And he was like, "I'm not telling who told me." He was like, "Oh, you are going to tell me who told you." And he was like, "No, I'm not." And he was like, "You got till 5 o'clock to tell me who told you, or you're going to jail." 5 o'clock ran around. He was like, "Are you ready to tell me?" He was like, "No, I'm not telling you." He was like, "You're held in contempt." He took off his jacket and went to jail. The judge brought him back. "Okay, I'm not playing with you. Tell me who told you." "No, I'm not telling." So he sentenced him to 10 weekends in jail. But his wife is also an attorney. So she filed an appeal because she said that that is not the way it's supposed to go. You are not supposed to have a meeting without discussing it with the attorney. So that's what happened. So give us a little play.
So is the judge going to be off the case? Which one is it?
Let me see.
Is it this one? Is it this one?
Go up.
That look like some lawyers. Who is these people right here?
That's him, but you can click on it, but I don't think it showed the part with the judge.
Big news in the criminal defense world today. Young Thug's trial in Atlanta, Georgia took an unexpected turn. He is on trial for gang-related activities, racketeering, conspiracy, homicide, drug conspiracy, and there are multiple co-defendants. It took a long time to pick this jury, months and months.
10 months total. Insane.
He's on trial right now, and it was learned that there was a secret meeting today. You want to fill us in a little bit on that?
So there was a witness that was refusing to testify because for the prosecution, I mean, snitches get stitches, the whole thing, like he didn't want to testify. And the judge, the prosecutor, and the witness and someone else went into the back, into the judge's chambers early in the morning. The trial didn't start till 11:30. Young Thug's defense attorney was never put on notice of this meeting, and never told.
None of the other defense attorneys, because there's other defendants in this case.
No one on the defense side was told, alerted, made aware of this. Somehow Young Thug's attorney was notified, and he brought it to the attention of the judge, and the judge just kept saying, "Well, how did you find this out?" And he said, "I'm not telling you. It's attorney-client privileged information through my investigation.
It's work product. I'm not telling you." And then the standoff began.
And so the judge and him went back and forth, and the judge said, "Well, this was in the sanctity of my chambers. You shouldn't even know about this meeting." But you can't have these meetings.
This was a witness who had been sworn, was under oath, asserting his Fifth Amendment privilege, and then the day before, and then this morning met with the judge and the prosecutor alone without the defense attorney. Like, this is beyond just a little screwed up. This is sanctionable conduct by the judge and the prosecutor.
So supposedly they said to him, "We're going to leave you locked up not only for this trial, but there's like 25 more co-defendants to be tried." And they said, "We're going to hold you for all of these trials unless you testify." And so he finally agreed to testify. And this happened right before they were going to bring him out to testify. So this was before the jury was brought out. I mean, this kind of punishment, this kind of threats by the prosecution, which I don't know if they could hold him for all 25 trials. It's craziness. Apparently a court reporter was in and out, and it's unknown because the attorney didn't want to reveal it. I don't know.
Like, I mean, if you go on YouTube and watch the video, like, I would be apoplectic. I would like light myself on fire. And this attorney's, I think he's pretty composed based on the information that he has. I mean,
And then what really floored me was the bailiff came, I guess, at the direction of the judge, tore the attorney's notes from him because he said, I'm going to take a 5-minute recess and let you decide if you're going to tell me or not. The bailiff came over, tore his notes, and then there's a news channel recording this. They must have pushed the camera and turned the camera off, so none of this was being recorded. And you can hear the attorney say, don't take my notes. What are you doing? Stop taking my notes. I've
like,
never heard of a bailiff.
You would have had to get my notes out of my kung fu grip. I would have been like, I would have wrestled to the ground with my notes.
I've never heard of a judge ordering
You would pay to see that, wouldn't you?
to take someone's notes.
Like this is crazy.
It's attorney-client privilege.
In
like,
the nerdy lawyer world, this is like the atomic bomb.
So
check it out, and we're gonna keep talking about it.
But I want you to see the real video of the judge. Like, he was mad about this.
Did you send it to me?
I did. I done sent you so much stuff. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, is that him? Right there.
Yeah, right here.
Mm-hmm.
Take Mr. Steele into custody, please.
Oh no, this is before. I think he ain't asking me go up.
That's it.
Oh man. Okay, play that one. Let me see.
Take Mr. Steele into custody, please.
Why? Oh, he had to take off his tie.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right.
All right, I just sent you the one.
So stop playing this one. Where's the notes that he tried to tell?
Yes, sir. You certainly may. Mr. Williams does not wish to go forward without me being here. You are removing me against his will, my will. You're taking away his right to counsel, and you're conducting material parts of this trial without me present, and I can't learn about it by watching online. So for that reason, additionally, I asked for a mistrial, and I assume you deny, but I'd like you to deny our motions for mistrial. You denied the other people. I denied your motion, but I'll certainly take that under advisement, sir.
This is definitely gonna be a mistrial because it's too much mess, it's too much
Too much
drama.
foolishness going on.
It's just too much. It's just too much going on. I don't even know what he's accused of.
How about the witness? How about Mr. Copeland, who supposedly announced he's not testifying and he'll sit for 2 years, and then supposedly this honorable court, or excuse me, let me rephrase that. This court supposedly said, I can hold you until the end of this trial. Ms. Hilton supposedly said, actually, all of the defendants and then all 26 people are disposed of. If that's true, what this is coercion,
Look at her
witness
face.
intimidation, ex parte communications that we have a constitutional right to be present for. So I understand that you're upset towards me, but I don't know what I did.
Mr. Steele, I still want to know, how did you come upon this information? Who told you?
What I want to know is, why wasn't I there? Why,
sir? I'm going to hold you in contempt if you don't tell me who this. Tell me who this information was.
I don't want to be held in contempt. Well, I'm not answering that question. That's attorney-client privilege information.
He couldn't plead the fifth.
Attorney-client privilege, unless you were in my chambers. That's the only way you can figure out. I tell you what, I'm going to give you 5 minutes. If you don't tell me,
you don't have to.
If you don't tell me who it is, I'm going to put you. I'm going to put you in contempt because that is not attorney-client privilege.
Attorney work product privilege. I am not.
How did you get that information supposedly from my chambers? Did somebody tell you?
I'm not.
Did it happen?
You got 5
He
minutes.
right.
Well,
You should have told me. And he got upset when he said
Yeah,
that.
he got upset. You got 5 minutes.
You got 5 minutes to get your shit together. Yeah, you mad now because he done called you on your bullshit. You know what happened. you know it happened.
He mad like
that.
First he said it was something in my chambers. Then he said about something that they said was in my chambers. Oh, it happened. It happened.
And he didn't deny it the whole time.
If it didn't happen, you would just say it didn't happen. But like you said, who the snitch probably was the dude that don't never want to talk. He probably told somebody like, yeah, you know, they called me.
It was a witness.
Yeah.
It was a witness. Who else was it? Come on then. Because he don't want to talk either. Nobody don't want to say nothing. They scared of Young Thug. Oh my God.
Well, I don't need it. I want to continue.
The judge done got up. He mad. He mad.
Oh yeah, he mad. He walked out.
He pissed.
I was told Mr. Copeland made statements that he admitted. Why? State of Georgia.
What happened after that? I need to know what happened
Mr.
after
Copeland,
that.
Who supposedly announced.
No, click on that. It may be the next one on them.
And he'll.
No, that was it. That was it.
That was it. That's all they had.
That was it.
What happened after that? He came back after 5 minutes and
But what happened to the I guess the people was watching it live. I'm about to say what happened to the taking the book.
Oh, because she said they moved camera.
Oh, was they in the court?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So they in the court. Okay.
Well, this point in time,
she's fat.
She's fine.
One thing about Woody, he gonna be entertaining. She fine.
That's Woody ass again.
Yeah.
Why is he still up there? They trying to get ratings right now. That's what they trying to do.
Is it your desire to release your counsel at this point in time?
She's fired.
She's fired? Okay. So
you see that woman's face? She was laughing when he said that. I'm surprised the judge didn't say nothing.
Did you wish to represent yourself in these particular, in terms of any issues you may have in this particular?
Do I got a choice?
I'm sorry?
Do I got a choice?
Yes, you do.
And what are those?
You can keep your lawyer that you have right now.
I don't want her.
All right. You could certainly hire another lawyer, or the court could appoint you a lawyer.
Do what I need a lawyer for?
He said, "What else? What else is the choice?"
Did he go say what I need a lawyer for?
It's just the court is just asking you whether it's your choice, sir.
I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah.
Ms. Bumpus, did you file an entry of appearance? All right. Did you, under the Uniform Superior Court rules, file a motion to withdraw pursuant to the Uniform Superior Court rules? I mean, I know you give an oral notice, but usually that's to be in writing, and he has 10 days to object. Say again.
I was never his counsel. Attorney Gunn was his counsel, and I was stepping in as a courtesy for judicial efficiency. But if the court's desire for me to file a motion to withdraw,
well, given the fact that you have represented Mr. Copeland at this point in time, it would seem appropriate that you do need to, in fact, file a formal withdrawal. Even though you didn't enter one, you de facto entered this case by your representation of him, or you telling the court that you did, in fact, represent him. So at this point, I'm not inclined to release you until that's done.
Okay, I'll get that done now, Judge.
Okay, all right. And he's got 10 days to go ahead and do that. So you're still going to have to be here until I have because he gets that particular period of time to go ahead and decide whether or not he'd like to hire a lawyer. That's the whole reason for the 10 days.
Well, I don't want to hire no.
Hold on. You get that right as a party. Okay.
I do get right.
You do, yes. You get that right to hire a new lawyer. You get the right to do a couple things. One, to decide whether or not you will release her.
Okay.
Okay. Two, you got to decide whether or not you want to get another lawyer to be with you.
Okay. Okay, those are the two big things you get a chance to kind of decide. But what I'm going to do at this point in time is, since she's representing you, I'm going to make her file a formal notice to withdraw. She's orally told you at this point in time she wants to withdraw. But you're on the stand, you're testifying at this point in time. So I'm not going to let her withdraw at this point. Is it your desire to?
Woody.
Yeah,
What is his issue and what is his thing in the case? What did he witness? Like,
and
what?
he's supposed to be a witness to murders and
Murders?
everything. But they say
Like, why? Why? Where did he come from? Who is he? Was he in a gang? Was he in YSL?
Yeah, he was part of the gang. Mm-hmm.
Why was he in
But
a
they said
gang? That is stupid.
He took a deal to not be prosecuted for the things that he's going to testify about. But
So
now,
why is this not? Oh, he's not testifying for it.
Right. So
so he don't understand the plea deal.
Yeah, he doesn't sign this agreement, this plea deal that he is going to testify against him and not be held accountable for any of the things that he has done. But now he get on the stand and he just want to play all day.
That's because somebody got something on his ass. Somebody that's on trial probably got his family locked up somewhere. You say something you want to, you gonna get it. That's what's going on. And so that man is scared. So he is playing dumb.
But it ain't working out.
He's scared. It ain't working out for him at all. At all. He might as well just lie and go to jail. Because he gonna go to jail for playing dumb. He might as well just lie and go to jail.
Like, watch, he gonna be playing
Lil'
right
Kim
now,
did it. Lil' Kim lied. She went to jail. She did some time. He might as well just lie, go to jail. Because he gonna do time playing dumb.
Oh, he rather do the time playing dumb.
Oh.
What you mean? What do I mean? We became cool.
Okay. During the course of your coolness with Shannon, did you meet?
Who is that? That's Woody too? Oh, that's Lil. This is Lil Woody.
This ain't Woody. I don't know why they said.
Oh, I'm about to say this is Woody drink because he don't look the same. That man don't look the same.
Oh, that's him. That's after he done pled the fifth and went to jail for the weekend.
Did you meet any of his family members?
Say that again.
As your coolness of your relationship developed, did you meet any family members of his?
No.
You never met any of his family members?
I never met none of his family members.
Okay. What about any of his girlfriends?
What you mean?
Have you ever met any of the people he ever dated?
I don't know how he's seen him, but I've seen him with girls.
Okay, so you met some of the people that he may or may not have dated.
I guess.
All right. Now, when y'all were cool and you would see him in the streets, how often would you all hang out with each other?
What you mean?
How often would the two of you spend time with each other?
You gotta be Pacific.
Sure.
Gotta be what? I'm sorry.
Pacific. You gotta be Pacific Ocean.
Or he want her to be Eastern Pacific time.
You gotta be Pacific.
Then somebody said you gotta be Pacific is wild.
Let's go.
Sure. Would the two of you go out?
I go out with anybody, even you.
I'm not asking about me. I'm asking about Shannon. Would the two of you go out?
We have went out.
Okay. How often have the two of you gone out?
I don't know.
Is it more than, let's see. You said you met him in middle school. You're 32. So roughly over the course of 20 years.
No.
No, you have not gone out with him?
I met him after me and him went to school, we never hung. I met him in 20 what? I met him in recent years. After we left school, in school we just knew each other. We didn't.
Y'all didn't hang out with each other?
Yeah, no.
So about how old were you when y'all began hanging out with each other?
Most of our, whatever you trying to say, I was in jail. So.
But prior to you going to jail.
What you mean? What do I mean?
Is this trial still going on? I need to tune in during the day.
It is still going on.
Oh my God. This is
click on Megan Cuff, the lady above that. The page above that one. Mm-hmm. Click on her page.
Is it your desire?
She live right now.
Scroll down.
She got a whole bunch of stuff on young thug stuff.
Mm-hmm.
I just want to see when Woody come.
I just want to see when Woody comes. Scroll down some.
What am I want to do that?
Because I'm asking you to.
Like, what if I don't?
These witnesses are giving them the business. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And Woody is the ringleader.
Oh yeah, he done told them y'all better not say nothing when y'all get up there. They like, what? What you want me to do?
What is that? Mark, you said this.
What am I want to do that?
Because I'm asking you to.
Like, what if I don't?
I'm asking you to take the stick, please. Thank you so much. Can you point yourself out in the picture?
Yeah, I'm at the bottom left.
All right. And you said that Mr. Williams is in that
right
picture?
Beside me to the right.
Okay, and where is Mr. McMillan?
To the left on the guy on the far right.
Can you use your stick that you don't want to use and point him out?
To the left of the guy on the far right with the glasses on and the red shirt.
Mr. McMillan.
Can you stand up, sir, please, and just point on the screen? Thank you.
I appreciate it. You got to see. Thank you. What's the significance of 1426?
I don't know.
Okay, you're in a picture with Mr. Williams holding that flag.
Should say that's
your significance
year
of 1426?
I don't know. You have to ask him. I don't got that flag.
Okay. And what color are you wearing inside of that picture?
A red shirt.
And are these individuals members of Rock Crew or Red Cartel? Rock Crew or Red Cartel?
I don't know. I know I was a member of Red Cartel. I don't know what they mean more.
Now,
okay, who else? Because these people just
go down.
She got Woody up here
right
so
now.
many times. Which one?
Go to prosecutors.
Do you know someone by the name of Jeffrey Williams?
I heard of him. He's a rapper.
Okay.
Boy.
Do you know
the rapper name? Is he a rapper?
Young Thug is Jeffrey Williams.
Oh.
And you say you know him as a rapper. Have you ever spent time with this individual?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. When is the first time you recall, strike that, what do you refer to him as?
Young Thug.
Okay. When is the first time that you recall meeting Young Thug?
At the studio.
And roughly about what year are we talking about?
Before I went to jail.
Boy, we don't know when you went to jail.
Right.
He said which time? She said, yeah, right.
Before I went to the feds.
So before 2015. Do you see him in the courtroom today?
Yeah.
Can you identify him by article of clothing he is wearing?
Brown. With dread, sitting next to the bald head guy.
All right. Is anyone else on the other side of him? Thank you. Do you know someone by name?
Young Thug got these people in a tight rope. Why is there so many?
They be writing long things now.
Maybe we need to do that to get views. Because I'm like
paragraphs, which who be reading them?
I know. Because they barely want to see the watch the video. I'm gonna start watching it because, but I just need to watch it.
Is she talking about it?
Let's see. Yeah. Hold on.
Okay, can I see it, please? You can.
Was she not looking at it? Is the trial still going on right now?
I don't know. What's she watching? Downtime here is Randall reads the order.
Okay, I'll mark this as the next court's exhibit in order. Do you have a formal order that you're going to prepare with the style of the case and the case number?
Yes, Judge. That's
Why
just
she look? She going through
his
anxiety.
signature. I prepared an order and I filed a motion with the clerk's office. I'm waiting on the file.
All right, okay. Mr. Copeland, let me hand you.
Oh, girl.
Yeah, she ain't got nothing
Hold
going
on a
on.
second.
We'll get back with you, Megan.
I know.